While many manufactured goods are fabricated and assembled by automated equipment, parts or works in progress must often be moved from one machine to another. And since destinations can vary depending on the current workflow, transport is usually a manual process. To keep production moving, many manufacturing operations need a significant portion of their staff to move formed or assembled parts from one process to another. In some cases, these tasks can require as much as 20 to 25% of the entire workforce. While the transport process is repetitive, the workflow is generally intermittent. As a result, workers must sometimes wait for parts to be transported or delivered. In addition, moving parts is often one of multiple roles workers fulfill, causing unproductive and wasted time. Then there's paperwork, which not only slows workers down, but introduces many opportunities for error. And while conveyors can solve some of these problems, factory layouts and the need for flexibility don't always make them practical. Autonomous Mobile Robots, or AMRs, supplied in collaboration with Fetch Robotics, offer a practical and efficient solution to all of these challenges. AMRs equipped with roller tops can enable efficient, zero-touch material transport for loads of up to 100 kilograms. These robots use vision and mapping technologies to perceive and navigate warehouse environments without requiring significant changes to your facility's infrastructure. They're smart enough to recognize and avoid everything from people to fork truck times. Workers and equipment are further protected by a certified hardware-based safety system, allowing safe navigation around operators and vehicles. The robots can even plot a new course on the fly if their original route is blocked. This reliable solution can integrate seamlessly with Honeywell Intelligrated momentum software and material handling equipment. By orchestrating the movement of parts and goods between machines, it enables continuous operation of your entire production process. By communicating with your MES or WMS system, the robots coordinate and optimize the movement of goods, eliminating manual errors and human wait times while increasing the accuracy of these repetitive processes. With robot coworkers taking on these tedious tasks, you'll be able to free up scarce labor for more satisfying and higher value tasks, increasing worker satisfaction and engagement while reducing injuries and turnover. You'll also get the flexibility to use your available space to its full potential and to scale quickly in peak periods. Here's how the solution works in a typical machine tending workflow. Items are placed into bins by the automation machine or assembly station. The manufacturing execution system or supervisory system is notified that an item is ready for pickup and told where it needs to go. The fleet management software selects the nearest available AMR to pick up the bin. Bins are transferred to the robot via a docking procedure. The docking procedure is repeated in reverse when the robot arrives at its destination. Once the bin is transferred, the AMR notifies the fleet management system that it's delivered the item and is free for new work. If no work is required right away, the AMR is sent to a staging location to wait for new instructions. The same technology can be used in distribution centers, guided by momentum software, performing tasks such as replenishment and delivery for automated storage and retrieval systems. It can also serve as a versatile robotic bridge between different conveyors in virtually any facility. Honeywell Robotics can deploy roller-top AMRs as part of a complete turnkey solution, including a design optimized for your unique operation. It's a proven, cost-effective way to improve the flexibility and maximize the utilization of your facility's people and processes.